Hi guys, your favorite cut down boys. Now we're back with another bang. Now you left voice. Ik dacht we gonna do it. This is it first.
Today we're gonna be doing Who Knows Manchester United the Best.
Yeah, Samir is gonna do this
Jaden
one.
edition.
This is part 1 of it. Make sure you guys subscribe, please. The most important thing, like. You guys sound desperate. Comment and
Like,
share.
comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when we next upload.
Yeah.
We're posting every day, so
Every day. Make sure you get us till 100. We bringing bangers for you, so you must bring bangers subscribers to us. To check now, 75 people will make me and Samir's house full now. Now imagine 100. We'll make our yards so full.
Oh wait, just come start. You're gonna start now.
So,
Jaden's not a real Man United fan, by the way, so he's
I'm
gonna
not
get
a
most of
United fan.
this. Oh, you're not a United fan. Who's your vote?
Crystal Palace.
You are never met a Crystal Palace fan in my life.
Good true.
But listen here, man.
Van de Kaap, man.
What year was Manchester United? Wait, that is 20 questions. Yeah. What year was Manchester United founded? Remember, you showed us
1978. 1978.
1990, 78.
1978.
1990, 78.
I said it wrong. 1978.
No, it's 1878.
18. Damn it.
What was the original name of Manchester United? If you don't know this,
I forgot I knew it.
you would.
I knew it.
What was
Orlando Pirates.
It was called Newton Heath LNY.
What?
Football club.
Ass name is that?
Newton Heath Football Club.
What ass name is that?
That was the name before it was Man United.
Before the stadium.
No, before the club was called Man United.
Oh.
What is the name of Manchester United Stadium?
Old Trafford.
Come on.
Wait. I belong to a place. What's the song saying? How's this song going on again?
I belong to a place.
Oh.
Oh, what is it? It's Take Me Home.
Take me home to Old Trafford. How's it now?
Take me home to a place
Oh, yeah.
I belong
Oh.
to
Oh.
Old Trafford.
To Old Trafford. Samir likes to sing, guys.
Who is Manchester United's all-time leading scorer?
Wayne Rooney.
Oh, if I say some was like wrong, it's just what's the longest? Oh, what word is
What's
this?
the longest?
Oh
what?
wait,
What's the longest? What? What's the
what's wrong with you?
Yo, guys.
Who was the longest?
in a YouTube. What?
Oh, what is this word?
Can I see it?
Who was? Oh wait, that's what you're the you.
Who is the
Oh wait,
longest?
I wanna say the wrong
The
thing.
nerd.
Not the nerd.
The noob.
The new.
The yard.
The new.
Is this in a
Who
vocabulary?
was the longest tenured manager Manchester United in Manchester United history?
I don't know what I think it's Sir Ellis Ferguson.
Oh, you saw it. Oh, wait.
I didn't.
Okay. Which Manchester
God,
United player got married with one of the Spice Girls?
Spice Girls.
You don't even know who Spice Girls though.
No. I'm gonna say a guess. Ruud van Nistelrooy.
No. David Beckham.
Oh, but it's so obvious.
How many English league titles has Man United won?
21.
It's 20.
Easy. I win one.
Both round.
Huh?
It's 20
20. That's crazy.
English titles.
Most Premier Leagues.
No, we have 13 Premier Leagues. And then 7 other English titles.
Oh.
How many Europeans? Oh, I might be wrong. I might be
Ik weet de deze die kan pas in de comments zeggen.
How many European Champions Cups? Okay, how many Champions League Cups does Man United have?
3.
Oh,
3 in Europa League.
They
One.
just asked that. Who are the 3 players?
Oh, who is the 3 players?
Tell you asked them who are the
Now what English is this?
Who are the three people part of the United Trinity?
Trinity, what's that?
Dat is the question now. Hoor.
What's the Trinity?
Just name three people part of the United Trinity.
Sir Alex Ferguson, Ruud van Nistelrooy, Ruben Amorim. Who's it?
George Best, Dennis Law, Sir Bobby Charlton. You can't tell me you never heard of those
I
names.
know him. Sir Bobby Charlton was one of United's best players.
Now, no. What question is this? Who is Man United's current manager?
Ruben Amorim.
There's like two days down.
Yo, do you know United's got
Oh wait, what place is Man United in currently?
Manchester, England. Place.
What spot on the table are they?
Oh, I didn't check my brother. So it's right now. Eight. I think it's 8.
Is that it?
Is it?
What? who was Manchester United's manager when they won the European Cup in 1968?
So Alex Ferguson is from the 2000s. So I don't know back then. Yes, I don't know that question.
Matt Busby.
What name is Busby?
I don't know.
Busby is Indian.
Oh, English people have names like that. In what year did Manchester United move to Old Trafford? I told you this answer, not remember. Yeah. That's all I'm saying.
1983.
1910. Who scored the fastest Premier League hat-trick for Manchester United?
I actually don't know this. George Best.
No. Who's that?
George Best.
No. Oh wait. What is this answer? Who scored the fastest Premier League hat-trick for Manchester United? Isn't that against?
No.
Now what is those questions?
Against United.
No, for Manchester United.
Sadio Mane played for United.
No, yeah, something's wrong with this question, yeah.
Always Google. Hey Google.
No, man. Yours. The question is who scored the fastest Premier League hat-trick for Manchester United?
Against United.
No. Who scored the fastest Premier League hat-trick for Manchester?
I think they mean against.
No, but it isn't against. Yeah, the answer is Sadio Mane. 2 minutes 56 seconds against Watford in 2019.
Sadio Mane played for United.
Sadio Mane played for Liverpool that year. So this question is.
Imagine he played for United.
He didn't. Which Manchester United players won the most Premier League titles? If you don't know this, you're not a Man United fan.
Wayne Rooney.
Which player was there throughout our 13, like throughout that time when we won the 13?
Johnny Evans.
No.
Wayne.
No. I'm an
Davida. Nah, Davida, he wasn't there. I don't know. More? No, Marcus.
He was in our 2008 squad.
Ronaldo.
No.
I don't know.
You
2000.
give up.
David Beckham.
No, you give up.
George Best.
No, you give up. It was Ryan Giggs.
Oh my word.
Who was the first player to score 20 Premier League goals for Manchester United?
Of course. Wayne.
No. Who was the first player to score 20 Premier League goals for Man United?
Wayne Ronaldo.
No.
Huh?
Give up.
The first.
Yes.
Actual first.
Yes. And actually, I heard of this name before.
David Beckham.
No, give up. Eric Cantona.
What the fuck? Canto.
Eric Cantona.
I don't know who's that, guys.
Who is the current
Who's the current champions? United. United is the
Wait.
Yeah, who's that? With the bottom.
How many matches has Man United won this year? No, not this year. This season in the Premier League.
How many?
How many have they won?
6, 6, 7.
6, 7.
6,
How
7.
many, and how many did they lose?
5,
No, 4. How many have they drawn?
3.
No, 4.
I told you I didn't check the log.
How many points does Man United have currently?
19.
22.
20. The win up. Wow. Wow! 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 Wow!
Who scored the winning goal in the 1999 Champions League final for?
Was I born? George Best.
Oh wait, even
Was I born that time?
1999 was our treble winning team, yeah.
I don't even know was it able to winning team. I suppose
Okay.
from 2017.
Who scored the winning goal in 1999 Champions League final for Manchester United against Bayern Munich? He was one of our coaches.
What? Ruud van Nistelrooy.
No,
Huh? Is it?
only get 3 answers.
Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
What is the name of the Manchester United Youth Academy?
Oh, I actually don't know this.
Wayne Rooney.
Is it? Is it?
No. Why would that be our academy's name? Wayne Rooney.
I told you talking about the coach. Camp Nou.
No. Oh wait, Cam No is
Wonderland.
Barcelona.
Wonderland. I don't know.
No is the Carrington Training Center.
Is it? I was thinking
Who
of
is
that.
Manchester United's record signing in terms of transfer fee?
Right.
Who was our most?
You know who was the waste of the most? Anthony.
I didn't ask that one. I'd ask her who did we pay for the most in our team? In the history of the team, yeah.
Pogba.
No, he's a man.
Pogba!
He's not Maguire, it's Pogba.
Is Maguire the second?
I think so. He's like 80 more. Pogba was
80
like,
more.
Pogba was like pushing 90 more.
And Anthony was like 80 something.
No, he was like, I don't know. I don't even care about him anymore.
Paul Pogba!
I don't know if there was too many questions, but it was a lot, so yeah.
If you ask me 24 questions, I give you a long time. Okay, guys, it's the end of part 1. Part 2, it's now. But
And it happened
on the next video. Wow.
to be continued.
To be continued.